Make this bread turkey with me. It is so cute and easy to make. So you want to start off with 5.5 cups of just regular flour, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 1 of onion powder, and then a nice handful of chopped fresh rosemary. Then I'm going to use this rapid rise instant yeast, and I'm going to add 3 3/4 teaspoons of that to my mix here. And then I'm going to slowly mix in 2 cups of very warm water. Once the dough comes together, I am going to attach my dough hook, and then I'm going to let this knead for 5 to 10 minutes until the dough is nice and springy, just like this. Then I'm going to divide the dough into 2 loaves, form a nice ball. I coat it with a little oil so that it doesn't stick to the dish here while it rises. So then I sit in a warm place, and all it has to rise is for 30 minutes, and then it should look like this. Then you're ready to make your turkey. So I cut 2 little wings up here that you can fold down, and then I'm just going to cut the little drumsticks off right here and then just shape the dough so it looks, a little more turkey-ish. I don't know. And then I add the little drumsticks that I shape, and you can twist or tie the little bottoms here. And then I like to split it down the middle and cover it with a little paprika, and I give it a little spray and then put it in the oven at 425 for 15 minutes. And this is how it comes out, guys. It is so beautiful, and it's just fun to put on the table and enjoy.